Today I'm going to show you how to unstake your LUKSO validator. In a previous video, I showed you how to stake and start your own validator with LUKSO, but in this video I'm going to show you how to unstake just in case you ever want to. So here is DappNode because that's where I staked with my validator, and you'll notice that in my current MetaMask wallet that I have less than one LUKSO in my account currently. Now, in order to run a LUKSO validator, I believe you still need 32 LUKSO, but they may have changed it since last time I checked. And you'll see, yeah, I have less than one LUKSO. So that'll be my test to make sure that I did it right, and that we have more than one when we're done unstaking and closing the validator. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head on over to packages on your DappNode, scroll on down to Web Signer LUKSO, and go ahead and open that up. And then from here, go to UI. Now, if the staking brain is not loading an infinite loop or it pops up this error very quickly, all you really need to do is restart the package. So go ahead and go to your packages, go back to Web Signer LUKSO and restart it. And if all else fails, check the link in the description, go to their Discord channel and scroll down to their LUKSO and go ahead and talk to them here, and hopefully someone can help you out. Another thing you might want to check is if you go to systems and update, you want to make sure that your DappNode is up to date. And in dashboard, you want to make sure all your packages are up to date as well. Now, do keep in mind that the validator has to be fully synced to the blockchain before you can write this exit request. So once you get to the staking brain of your LUKSO validator, you want to select the validator that you wish to withdraw your stake. So to exit the validator, all you're going to do is select it, then go over here to exit validator. So your original 32 LUKSO that you used in order to deposit and fund your validator is going to be refunded back to your original withdrawal address that you set up when you were creating the validator in the first place. Now, this fee recipient thing right here is where you will be rewarded, the address that you will be rewarded for owning a validator. So editing this address will not affect your 32 original LUKSO. So if that looks good to you, type in I want to exit. So I'm just going to select exit. Okay guys, now it has fully synced with the blockchain. Sorry, it's been a few days since I got back to recording this video. Been busy. And there was also an update for the package, so I'm now on version 0.14, and let's head back over to the staking brain and unstake. I want to exit and exit. Please wait. Okay, so it took about 3 to 5 minutes of it just constantly spinning. I thought it was an endless loading spiral of death. But anyways, it finally says successfully exited the validator. So let's go ahead and close this. Let's go ahead and copy my address here, and let's pull up LUKSO and find my validator on the blockchain and make sure it was exited correctly. So I'm on the LUKSO Explorer, and you can see here's the validators right here. It found it, and it says that it is currently active. So what we're going to need to do now that we told it to exit is go ahead and wait for it to actually exit on the blockchain, which could take a little while. So now we can see that it's blinking here, that it says that it is indeed exiting. It just took a few minutes to process on the blockchain to receive the actual exiting request. And right here, I'll tell you when your validator is actually going to be completely exited, and then you'll receive any staked funds that you had put into your validator. So it says this number right here, and on the top left, it tells you what number it's currently at. And then it does give an estimate time. It says for me that it will be exited in about 20 minutes. So I'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been 20 minutes and I refreshed the screen and it says that we have exited. This is Muffins, by the way, and he was waiting 20 minutes with me. Anyways, you'll see that it's exited. It says there's no longer any need to keep the validator running, and that your funds, the 32 LUKSO you put in there, will be available after this number right here. So if you guys have any questions about how to exit or anything, let me know in the comments down below. If you watch the video on how to actually start your validator, it should show you how to get funds into your validator, so you can just reverse that process if you want to do something else with your LUKSO. And guys, don't forget that we do a monthly live stream once a month here on the channel where we just talk about cryptocurrency. And if you end up buying a DappNode of your own, be sure to use my code MattLong6. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay safe, trade safe, watch out for scams, and God bless. Peace. You cute little kitty.